first effort to improve the take-off run of a Fairey III-D, a heavier type of aircraft. These trials took place in August during 1924. The machine was mounted on a free trolley. The first experiment proved successful, but on the second occasion the trolley was lost overboard and the scheme abandoned. This picture is slowed down 5 times approximately to aid analysis. With the increasing landing speeds of aircraft, some method of arresting had become necessary, and this attempt at the IIIA in 1930 was the first since the early sandbag inertia system was abandoned in 1922. The aircraft is a Fairey III trailing a hook that engages in transverse wire. The ends of the wire are attached to hydraulically controlled brake drums. There is some difficulty at first in determining the correct suspension point of the hook, which, if too far forward, caused the aircraft to pitch. At this trial these points were settled, and in 1931 a arrestor gear was installed in HMS Courageous. This is the Fairey III again doing the arrestor hook engages, the arrestor gear arrests. Another view of the arrested landing. These trials proved successful, and the arrestor wires had come to stay. There were modifications to hooks and their suspension points for the different aircraft and their varying landing speeds. Later, a double reeling system of arrestor gear was introduced. With this experimenting was introduced the V-frame hook. Here is the Fairey III fitted with one. This was an attempt to distribute the loading on the fuselage as the machine is arrested. These early machines were not designed to withstand the extra load due to the rapid deceleration being applied to one particular spot. Further test in Ark Royal, the aircraft a Fairey III. The catapult, known as the E3H, is an extending revolving cordite operated type. Now the seaplane version, to check clearances of the floats. All cruisers with catapults use seaplanes, and it was intended to fit this catapult to all county class vessels.